In this session, we are going to introduce the concept of control statements in C language. Let's discuss preamble behind the uses of control statements in C. By default, C program follows sequential executions, meaning is that all instructions are executed in a sequential manner, one after another. Control statements are required if we want the conditional execution of certain code, and also it is helpful to us when we want to repeat execution of certain instructions. There are different types of control statements. We have the conditional control statements and there are the looping control statements. Let's discuss these types of control statements in more detail. Conditional control statements are helpful to us to take the decision about the execution of certain instructions. So if certain condition is satisfying, then code is executed, else it is not executed. So figure shows how exactly this works. If condition is a true, then you are going to execute certain code. If condition is a false, then that code is skipped and next instruction is directly executed. Examples of conditional control statements are if else, nested if. Looping control statements are helpful to us to repeat execution of certain instructions depending on a condition. See the figure. If certain condition is true, then we are executing a statement, and this we are doing till the moment the condition is true. The moment the condition becomes false, then we are not executing that part and we are going to the next part of the code. Examples of looping control statements are for, while and do while. There are certain special instructions which are helpful to us in these control statements. These instructions are break and continue. So in the next session, we'll discuss conditional statements in more detail. Thank you. See you again.